So in this video, what I'm going to be talking about is whether Lucid Motors can do 100% this year. We know it's done over 200 in 2021, but can it do that good this year? And we will see. I'm bullish on it. Many other people are. And I want to talk about it, see what can happen this year. We're hoping to get back to the previous hype, whether that'll happen. It will. I believe. I am a believer in this company. Since it was known as CCIV, when it was doing the merger, I've been bullish on it. And then it came through as Lucid, shot up. Then obviously it slipped back down to, as you can see here, the current price, $38. But we want to get back to 64. And we're going to talk about that today. So Lucid Motors, energy storage company, EV company. Lucid Group Inc. is an American electric vehicle manufacturer headquartered in Newark, California. I don't know, Newark? No, Newark. I don't know how to say it. Lucid's other divisions include energy storage and original equipment manufacturing. The company was founded in 2007. So that is a little explanation of who Lucid Motors are. So the stock price, the ticker symbol, is LCID. Its current price is $38.05. We know that one of the CEOs of that, and he used to work for Tesla. He was part of the Tesla company for a short amount of time. Let's have a look at this. So, like I said, currently we're at $38.05. In the past 52 weeks, what we want to look at is how it's varied. And we know that from this, it's varied from 10, opening at $10, and the highest was 64. So the lowest was 10, the highest is 64.86, and we hope to get back to this one day. I think around here it was, oh no, it's in there. In the year, yes, the highest was over here. But it won't let me scan it. So yeah. And then we got back to here recently, but it dipped again. But we're going to talk about the actual chart sooner. So down here you can see one of the recommended, we like to look at recommendations sometimes so we can get an understanding of it. So we see that a lot of it is a strong buy, a hold, and a little bit of underperform, but no sells. Down here we can see that it's more in the buy range. So it's closer to buy than it is hold, and we like to see that. So Lucid Air is the main car, the main production base, Lucid Air, which is the main view range of cars. We can go down a second and just see the different Air styles of vehicle. So we have the Air Pure, the Air Touring, the Air Grand Touring, the Air Dream Edition, and that's it. There's 4 main vehicles, and they're all based around being the Lucid Air. I think they've got more variety that they're going to bring in the near future. They're looking for a more affordable vehicle that they want to put out so that more people can actually purchase it. And when they do that, it's going to be a lot better because more people can then buy into the actual company and brand of Lucid. Lucid Air. Official EPA range up to 520 miles. That is the biggest selling point of Lucid because Tesla's battery range is, I have it up here. Tesla's, the highest is 405 miles per full charge. 405 compared to 520 miles. That is a big difference. When it comes to EV, what do you want mainly? A car that can travel a long time without needing to charge again. So you don't have to constantly charge. So that is a very big selling point of Lucid. The fact that it's 520 miles per charge. Now, $77,000 is the starting price, which a lot of people aren't happy with because obviously it's not as affordable as we'd like. But what can we do? I think that is the cheapest one. Yeah, that's the cheapest one, which is the Pure. And the max horsepower is 1,111 HP. So it is quite a good car. It's just a bit expensive, but with the distance that you're traveling, it's outbeating Tesla, which is the top EV out there at the moment. Now, another big thing in 2021 that happened for Lucid Air was that it was named Motor Trend Car of the Year. We know it was nominated for it, But Lucid Air named Multi-Trend Car of the Year. So obviously it's done something good. A lot of people are liking the car. They're liking the design, the battery, the speed, a lot of things to do with the car because it has a lot of potential. It looks nice. It's got a bit of speed to it. Battery lasts a while. What's there not to like? And it's a new company. It's a new car company. We know there's going to be some faults throughout the next few years. But at the moment, it's looking like it can have a lot of potential and do a lot in the future. Now the sales. In 2021, the predicted sales was around 577. Lucid projects it will only build 577 cars in 2021, then 20,000 in 2022. So 577 cars is a quite good amount to test on the first year, but for 2022 we're looking to sell 20,000. Now if we do that, perfect. As it says down here, that would be 2.2 billion dollars, which would be a very, very, very nice amount. A very nice amount. And if we do that, then that's going to boost the price because more people are buying. We want people to buy. The more people buy, the more it gets shown, the more it gets advertised, then more people want to buy it. Then 2023, more people buy it. Then they come out with more different cars. More people buy them. Bob's your uncle, Sally's your aunt. So 2022, we can do 20,000. If they can sell 10,000, that's still good. But they want to at least hit the targets. We want good earnings throughout the year, so we don't want to really lose anything because that'll dip the price, but we still have good potential on it. So looking at the chart currently, this is the 1 day, so this is over the past few months. Obviously, the price has gone up back to around 57, but then it's come back down as the whole market's kind of pulled back a little bit. But it's rejected here from the 57. It's consolidated a little bit, and we're looking for a confirmation of it going back up. Because we'd like it to go back to around 64. So around up here, this area. We'd like it to get back to there. And I think it can. 2022, I reckon, will either start really bad or really good. So by March, we will either be back at 57 or we'll be around 40 to 45. That's what I'm predicted anyway. What will the percentage increase be to get back to the previous high? And can it do 100%? As we can see here, it's currently at 38. Oh, damn. We're currently at 38. And the previous high was 64. That would be a 68% increase. That's a good return on your money. You can buy a couple of shares. Get that little 68% increase. That is not bad. Obviously, you can go lower. Meh. I don't think it will, though. I personally think it'll go up to 64. I say we're definitely getting back there because I think Lucid will have a good year this year. But to get that 100% increase that I'm talking about, the ROI, what will we need? And I think it's 74. No, 76. I cannot. 76. If we can get to $76 per share this year, you will gain 100% ROI. I think that's doable. I reckon between 80 to 100 can be reached based on the performance that Lucid gives throughout the year. Whether that happens, who knows? But like I said, I'm bullish on it. I reckon it has a potential to get from 80 to 100. But 76 will be a 100% return on your investment. So can it do it? Car of the year, the best performing battery, goal of 20,000 cars, 20,000 sales. If they hit 20,000, which I reckon is doable, we're easily looking back to 64 per share. 76, 100% return. I reckon we can do it. I reckon we can. So everything I've talked about, I hope you've liked it. Do you think we can get 100% ROI on Lucid in 2022? I personally think we can. Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe if you want to. And yeah, safe.